Welcome back to ChangFunLearning. I'm Chang. In this video, I'll be teaching you the essentials of Chinese greetings so you can make a great first impression and connect with the locals during your stay in China. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to brush up on your skills, this guide will give you all the information you need to get started. We'll start with basic greetings such as 你好 for hello and 再见 for goodbye. Then we'll move on to more advanced expressions such as 非常感谢 for thank you very much and 幸会 for nice to meet you. I'll also show you how to use these expressions in real-life situations, such as greeting people at different times of the day, expressions for meeting people the first time. So, if you are ready to take your Chinese language skills to the next level, let's get started. Let's start with saying hello to people. The easiest one is just saying hi. And then the more common one that you probably heard a lot is 你好. 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 你 in Chinese means you. 好 means good, okay, well. So 你好 is for saying hello in Chinese. You good. And if you're talking to someone that you really respect or someone way older than you, you say 您好. 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 And if you're talking to a group of people, you need to make the you, 你 plural. So you say 你们好. 你们好. Or a different way to say hello you guys or hi everyone is 大家好. 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 Next, we're going to learn how to greet people at different times of the day. The first one is 早上好. 早上好. 早上好 for good morning. 早上好. Then the next one is good afternoon. 下午好. 下午好. And the next one, good evening. 晚上好. 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 And then the last one, good night. 晚安. 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 And if you're meeting someone for the first time, in English, people always say nice to meet you. And then in Chinese, the literal translation is 很高兴认识你. It appears in a lot of textbooks. But in China, we don't really say that. Let me teach you how to say the authentic nice to meet you. The first one is 幸会. 幸会. 幸会.
经常不说母语已经不习惯了啊，见着你非常高兴，幸会。
When you use 幸会, you can use it in a very formal context. And then sometimes people would repeat it to say 幸会,幸会 to show more respect. And it's really nice to meet you. And then the next one is less formal and less direct as nice to meet you. But it could be very nice of you to say it, which is someone often mentioned you to me. So it's someone 经常提起你. It literally means someone often mentioned you to me. Someone always talk about nice things about you. And then the last one is more like in a businessy setting. You can say 久闻大名. 久闻大名. 久闻大名 or 久仰. 久仰 to show respect in a business setting. And then the last part for today is to learn how to say appreciation words. So the easiest one is 谢谢 as thank you. And you can also say 谢谢你, 谢谢你 as in thank you because we learned 你 is you in Chinese. So 谢谢你. And then the next one, if you want to appreciate someone very much, you can say 非常感谢. 非常感谢. 非常 means very much. And then 感谢 means you're grateful for someone or you appreciate someone a lot. So you say 非常感谢. And then how do we say you're welcome? There are different ways to say you're welcome. So the first one is 不用谢. 不用谢. 不用 means no need. And then 谢, is thank. So, no need to thank me. 不用谢，不用谢。
谢谢你帮我买的模拟试题。
不用谢，顺手多带一本。
Next one, you're welcome, is 不客气，不客气，不客气。
谢谢勇哥。说呀。
谢谢。
谢谁啊？
勇哥。
不客气。
Or 别客气，别客气。
浩浩，不要老玩手机，记着给妈妈打电话。
你随时给我打电话啊！
大牛，谢谢啊！
不客气 or 别客气. Basically, it's saying don't need to mention it. And then the last one is no problem. 没事儿，没事儿. For no problem. 没事儿. So these are the basic but very authentic greetings I wanted to teach you today. If you have any questions, please leave your questions down below in the comment area. And thank you for your comments. I'll see you in the next video.